Hi students, good morning. Write down a problem. If theta belongs to Q3 means third quadrant and sin theta is equal to minus 4 by 5, then find sin theta by 2, cos theta by 2 and tan theta by 2. Tan theta by 2. Theta belongs to third quadrant and sin theta is equal to minus 4 by 5. So this is 4, it is 5 by using right angle triangle, so this is 3. Cos theta is equal to here, cos theta equal to 3 by 5, but theta lies in third quadrant, cos is a negative, so this minus 3 by 5. Now we have to find the values of sin theta by 2, cos theta by 2 and by using the formulas. So cos theta is equal to formula cos theta 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. So this is a 2 cos square theta by 2 is equal to, you can put here and 1 minus 1 right this side. So this is 1 plus cos theta. Cos square theta by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos theta by 2 implies cos theta by 2 is equal to plus or minus root of 1 plus cos theta by 2. Cos theta by 2 formula. You can take plus or minus, depends on the quadrant. Like also cos theta formula in terms of 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Take this side, 2 sin square theta by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos theta. Therefore, sin square theta by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 2. Therefore, sin theta by 2 is equal to plus or minus root of 1 minus cos theta by 2. Now this is cos theta and also this is sin theta by 2. Sin theta by 2. So theta belongs to third quadrant, that is third quadrant means what? 180 degrees less than theta less than 270 degrees. Third quadrant. What about theta by 2? That is 180 by 2 is less than theta by 2 is less than 270 degrees by 2. So this is what? 90 degrees less than theta by 2 is less than 135 degrees. So theta by 2 means, so theta by 2 lies in second quadrant. Theta by 2 lies in second quadrant. Now we have to find first sin theta by 2. So sin theta by 2 equal to sin theta by 2 equal to second quadrant, it is sin theta by 2 is positive. Second quadrant, so sin is positive. So you can take plus sign. So this is the root of 1 minus cos theta by 2. That is root of 1 minus cos theta. Cos theta is minus 3 by 5 by 2. So by taking LCM, this is root of 5 minus of minus plus 8 by 5 by 2. That is equal to root of 8 by 10. That is 4 by 5. That is 2 by root 5. So this is sin theta by 2. sin theta by 2. What about cos theta by 2? Cos theta by 2 is equal to theta by 2 lies in second quadrant, cos is a negative. Cos is negative. So you can put minus root of, so this is what? 1 plus cos theta by 2. That is equal to minus root of 1. Cos theta by 2 is minus 3 by 5. So 1 minus 3 by 5 by 2. That is minus root of 5 minus 3 by, so this is 5. 2 is there, right, into 2. That is minus root of 2 by, so this is 5 into 2. That is equal to gets cancelled, minus 1 by root 5. So this is cos theta by 2. Cos theta by 2. And sin theta by 2 this is. Now we have to calculate tan theta by 2. Tan theta by 2 means what? Cos theta by 2 by sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. Okay. Write down. So tan theta by 2 is equal to tan theta by sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. That is sin theta by 2, 2 by root 5. Cos theta by 2, minus 1 by root 5. These two gets cancelled. 2 by minus 1, that is minus 2. So we have cos theta by 2, this is the formula, and sin theta by 2, this is the formula. And what about tan theta by 2? These two, from these two, tan theta by 2 is equal to sin theta by 2. Sin theta by 2, theta by 2 by this is cos of theta by 2. That is equal to plus or minus root of sin theta by 2. So this is 1 minus cos theta by 2 by a root of 1 plus cos theta by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. That is plus or minus. You write single root of. So this is 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So this is tan theta by 2. So for every time, no need to find out sin theta by 2 value, cos theta by 2 value. Simply you can write it directly. Tan theta by 2 is what? Plus or minus root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay. Therefore, tan theta by 2. So I can write here tan theta by 2 is equal to plus or minus, this is root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So these are the formulas. So from this standard result, cos theta next one, if cos theta is equal to 5 by 13, where 270 degrees less than theta less than 360 degrees, then find sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. So cos theta is 5 by 13. So theta belongs to what? That is fourth quadrant. So theta belongs to fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant implies this is cos theta is equal to cos theta. So this is 5, this is 13 from the right angle triangle. So this is 169 minus 25, 144. Root of 144 is 12. Okay, so this is cos theta, and here, so this is 270 degrees by 2 less than theta by 2 less than 360 by 2. So this is 135 degrees is less than theta by 2 is less than 180 degrees. Implies what? This is in here second quadrant. Therefore theta by 2 belongs to Q2, second quadrant. What is second quadrant? Actually 90 to 180 degrees. So this is 135 to, so this is 180 degrees, which lies in second quadrant. Therefore theta by 2 lies in second quadrant. Now we have to calculate the values of first sin theta by 2. Sin theta by 2, what is the formula for the sin theta by 2? So this one, sin theta by 2. Therefore sin theta by 2 is equal to theta by 2 lies in second quadrant. Therefore here sin is positive, so you can take plus sign. That is 1 minus cos theta by 2. That is root of 1 minus, where cos theta is 5 by 12. 5 by not 12, 13. 5 by 13 by 2. That is square root of 13 minus 5 by 13 by 2. That is root of, this is 8 by 13 into 8 by 13 into, this is 2 by 1, right, into 2. That is equal to 4 by root 13. That is 2 by root 13. 4 times gets cancelled. So this is root of 4. 2 by root 13. And next to cos theta by 2. Cos theta by 2. Theta by 2 lies in second quadrant. Cos is negative in second quadrant. So minus root of 1 plus cos theta by 2. That is minus root of 1 plus, where cos theta is 5 by 13 by 2. That is minus root of 13 plus 5 by, this is 13 into, by taking LCM, 13 by 2 means into 1 by 2. That is the meaning. So this is minus root of 18 by 13 into 2. 9 times gets cancelled. 2 9 is 3. 3 by root 13. So that is the value of cos theta by 2. next one, if cos alpha is equal to 3 by 5, cos beta is equal to 5 by 13. 5 by 13. Alpha and beta are acute angles. Alpha means acute angle means the lies in first quadrant. Then prove that first one, sin square alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to 1 by 65, and cos square alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to 16 by 65. 16 by 65. Now, first of all, you have to calculate alpha and beta are in first quadrant. Now, what is cos alpha is equal to? Cos alpha equal to 3 by 5. So, 3 by 5 means what? This is 3 and this is 5, this is 4. So, alpha belongs to first quadrant. What about sin alpha is equal to? Sin alpha equal to 4 by 5. 4 by 5. And next to this is cos beta is equal to cos beta 5 by 13. Beta is also belongs to first quadrant. So this is 5, this is 13, this is 12. Okay. Therefore, sin beta is equal to this is 12 by 13. 12 by 13. Now we have to find cos of alpha minus beta first is equal to. Why you are finding cos alpha minus beta? We have to find sin square alpha minus beta by 2. Sin square alpha minus beta. What? See here. Sin square theta by 2 equal what? 1 minus cos theta by 2. If you put in place of theta, if you write alpha minus beta, in place of theta, alpha minus beta. Sin square alpha minus beta by 2 equal to 1 minus cos of alpha minus beta by 2. That is the reason. So we have to find cos of alpha minus beta first. So this is cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta, where cos alpha, what is cos alpha is? Cos alpha 3 by 5 into cos beta 5 by 13, sin alpha 4 by 5, sin beta 12 by 13. Now this is LCM is, this is 65, 65 is LCM. So this is 15 plus 48. That is equal to, so this is equal to 63 by 65. 63 by 65. So that is cos of alpha minus beta. And you had similarly calculate cos of alpha plus beta. What is cos alpha plus beta? So cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha into sin beta. That is equal to 3 by 5 into 5 by 13 minus 4 by 5 into 12 by 13. So this is 15 minus 48 by 65 minus 33 by 65. Okay, just write down what these points. So we have cos of alpha minus beta is equal to what? 63 by 65, and cos of alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to minus 33 by 65. Now I remove this. Now just you see this one, this formula. What about sine square theta by 2 equal to? That's why I cannot erase these formulas. Sine square theta by 2 equal to 1 minus cos theta by 2. Sine square theta by 2 equal to 1 minus cos theta by 2. So just to see this formula, how we are getting from this continuation. In place of put theta is equal to right alpha minus beta, this one. Put alpha minus beta. So this is a sine square alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos of alpha minus beta by 2. So okay, in place of theta only you write alpha minus beta. 2. Theta means alpha minus beta. That is equal to 1 minus cos alpha minus beta. This is the value. 1 minus 63 by 65 by 2. That is equal to, by taking LCM, 65 minus 63 by 65 into, so this is by 1 means 1 by 2. That is the meaning. So this is equal to 2 by 65 into 2 to cancel, that is 1 by 65. 1 by 65. So this is the result. And next one, this result. Okay. What about cos square theta equal to? See here, cos square theta by 2 equal to 1 plus cos theta by 2. Also just to see this formula, cos square theta by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos theta by 2. Now put theta is equal to this one, alpha plus beta. Now put theta is equal to alpha plus beta. So this is cos square alpha plus beta by 2 equal to 1 plus cos of alpha plus beta by 2. So this is equal to 1 plus cos alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to what? Value minus 33 by 65. So this is minus 33 by 65 by 2. That is equal to 65 minus 33 by 65 into 2. That is equal to 32 by 32 by 65 into 2. So this is 16 times cancel. That is 16 by 65. Next one, if 450 degrees less than theta less than 540 degrees and sin theta is equal to 12 by 13, then find cos theta by 2 and sin theta by 2. Cos theta by 2, sin theta by 2. See here, theta belongs to which quadrant? Theta belongs to. So this is 0 to 90, 90 to 180, 180 to 270, 270 to 360 degrees. Okay, na? 360 plus 90, 360 plus 90, this is 450. So, okay, na? 450, 450 plus 90, 540. That means what? This is 0 to 90 degrees, 90 to 180, 180 to 270, 270 to 360. Plus first quadrant, 360 plus 90 means what? So this is 360 to 450 degrees. What about this one? Adding 90 for this, 450 to 540 degrees. Okay, na? So this is 90, 90, 180, 270, 360. 360 plus 90, 450. 450 plus 90, 540. So second quadrant. Theta belongs to second quadrant. Theta belongs to second quadrant. Now this is a sin theta is equal to 12 by 13. So this is 12, this is 13, 13. So this is what? 169 minus 144, which is 25. 20 root 25 is, this is 5. And what about cos theta equal to? Cos theta. Theta belongs to second quadrant. Cos is negative. So this is minus 5 by 13. Okay, minus 5 by 13. Now, once again I repeat, this is 450 degrees less than theta less than 540 degrees. Now we have to calculate theta by 2's. So theta lies in second quadrant. What about theta by 2? So by 2, by 2, by 2. This is 225 degrees less than theta by 2 less than 270 degrees. So this lies in 180 to 270. That means what? 225 to 270 lies in third quadrant. Implies theta by 2 lies in third quadrant. Belongs to Q3, third quadrant. So first we have to find sin theta by 2 is equal to, again see the formula, sin theta by 2 plus or minus, either put plus or minus, depends on the quadrant. What about theta by 2 lies in third quadrant? In third quadrant, what about sin? Negative. So that equal to minus root of 1 minus cos theta by 2. That equal to minus root of 1 minus, where cos theta is? Cos theta is minus 5 by, so this is minus 5 by 13 by 2. That is minus is minus. Minus, so 1 plus, this is 13, minus of minus plus 5 by 13 into, so by LCM is 13 into 2. So this is equal to minus root of 18 by 13 into 2. So 9 times gets cancelled, minus 3 by root 13. So this is sin theta by 2. And next to cos theta by 2. cos theta by 2 is equal to theta by 2 lies in third quadrant, cos is negative, minus root of 1 plus again cos theta by 2, 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus this is cos theta by 2, that is equal to minus root of 1 plus cos theta is what? Minus, so this is 5 by 13 by 2. That I can write here, that is minus root of, so this is 13 minus 5 by, so this is 13 into 2, that is minus root of 8 by 13 into 2. So 4 times gets cancelled, root 4 is 2, minus 2 by root 13. So this is what? Cos theta by 2. And sin theta by 2 equal to minus 3 by root 13. Next one, prove that cos pi by 11, cos of 2 pi by 11, cos of 3 pi by 11, cos 4 pi by 11 into cos of 5 pi by 11 is equal to 1 by 32. By 32. Here put pi by 11 is equal to alpha. In place of pi by 11 put alpha. Implies what is pi is equal to 11 alpha. 11 alpha. Now you can call it some name. This LHS you can treat as some name is C. There is no importance for C, simply you can call it some name just like C. So this is, let C equal to, this is LHS, this is cos alpha into cos 2 into pi by 11, 2 alpha, 3 into pi by 11, cos 3 alpha, cos 4 into pi by 11, pi by 11 is alpha, 4 alpha, cos 5 alpha. And just you can S is equal to, and let S equal to, means you are creating one other identity, one creating, that is S equal to, let S equal to, I am taking sin alpha, sin 2 alpha, sin 3 alpha, sin 4 alpha and sin 5 alpha. Okay, this is okay. What about this one, sir? We don't have, given is not there, but you can take one identity S equal to, just you can create this one S equal to, yes, I am assuming S equal to this one, related to this alpha alpha, 2 alpha 2 alpha, 3 alpha 3 alpha, 4 alpha 4 alpha, 5 alpha 5 alpha, like I am multiplying these two. Multiplying that is C into S is equal to, I can multiplying these two and these two, so this is cos alpha into sin alpha, cos 2 alpha into sin 2 alpha, cos 3 alpha into sin 3 alpha, cos 4 alpha into sin 4 alpha, next to cos 5 alpha into sin 5 alpha, multiplying. Okay, we know the formula. What about 2 sin 2a formula? Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. What about sin 4a is equal to what? In place of a, you can put 2a in place of a. 2 into 2, 4a. So this is what? 2 sin 2a into cos 2a. What about sin? You can write, this means what? 2 into 2a. Where a, you write 2a. So this is sin 4a. So 2 into 3a is equal to what? 2 sin 3a into cos 3a. So this is what? Sin 6a. This is sin 6a equal to this one. Suppose if you put in place of a, write 4a. This is equal to what? 2 sin 4a into cos 4a. So what is 2 sin a cos a equal to? Sin 2a. 2 sin 2a into cos 2a equal to sin 4a. 2 sin 3a into cos 3a equal to sin 6a. 2 sin 4a into cos 4a equal to sin 8a. That's why for this I am multiplying, dividing by, next step, 2 by 2, 2 by 2, 2 by 2. So this is 2 by 2 and this is 2 by 2. Now this is equal to, so this can be written as 2 sin alpha cos alpha, sin 2 alpha. So this is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So this is 1 by 2 power 5. 2 sin alpha cos alpha. This is a sin 2 alpha. And this is a 2 sin 2 alpha cos 2 alpha is sin 4 alpha. And this is a 2 sin 3 alpha cos 3 alpha, using this, that equal to sin 6 alpha. And 2 sin 4 alpha, 2 sin 4 alpha into cos 4 alpha, sin, so this 2 times 8 alpha means that is sin 8 alpha into this one. Similarly, so this is 2, this is sin 10 alpha. Therefore, this is C into S is equal to, that is equal to 1 by 2 power 5 is 32 into. So this is a sin 2 alpha, sin 4 alpha, sin 4 alpha. 6 alpha can be written as sin of 11 alpha minus 5 alpha. Why? Because there is no 6, 8, 10, no. Just only alpha, 2 alpha, 3 alpha, 4 alpha, 5 alpha. So not 6. So 6 alpha can be written as 11 alpha minus 5 alpha. And this is sin of, this can be written as, why you are writing 11? Because 11 alpha equal to pi. Right? Pi minus 5 alpha, like this. So this is 8 alpha can be written as pi minus 3 alpha. So this is first write 11 alpha. 11 minus 3, 8. And this is the sin of 11 alpha minus alpha, that is 10 alpha. So this is 1 by 32 into, so this is sin 2 alpha, sin 4 alpha, sin of 11 alpha is what? Pi minus 5 alpha, sin of pi minus 3 alpha into sin of pi minus alpha. Since 11 alpha is equal to pi. So this is equal to 1 by 32 into, so this is C into S. Yes, sine 2 alpha, sine 4 alpha, sine 180 minus theta is sine theta because second quadrant 180 minus. So this is sine 5 alpha, sine 3 alpha, sine alpha. Okay, therefore this is equal to 1 by 32 into sine alpha, sine 2 alpha, sine 3 alpha, sine 4 alpha, sine 5 alpha, which is what? Nothing but S. This is equal to S. Therefore this is what? C into S is equal to this. S cancel. Therefore implies C is equal to 1 by 32. Where C is what? Our expression, this one, that is this. Therefore C is equal to 1 by 32. Okay, where C is equal to what? This. Where alpha is what? Alpha, pi by 11. Therefore the given is equal to 1 by 32. Okay, right on. Thank you.